Welcome to Pereira, Colombia, located in the coffee region of Colombia. Population size of just under 500,000 people. Second biggest city in the Paisa region after Medellin. And one good thing about these smaller towns is obviously you walk in a place, it's less people, no lines, you get your order right away. So you see that here with this restaurant. And after that, let me show you some of the scenes from the streets and the skies of Pereira. So what I like about this spot, it's like Chipotle, but way cheaper. It seems like much fresher ingredients, and they got plantains up in there. And put olive oil on at the end. You know, I like that touch. I like that touch. Plus it tastes good, and it's healthy. So, good local environment. Time to eat. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let's get this travel thing going. Esta señora aquí makes some very good coffee. Her location is always changing, but if you can find her, make sure you give her coffee a try. should we? Let's see what's down here.
Oh, I could be here. I love it. You know why? It's better than buying kids. More bright.
Oh yeah.
Te quise y te quiero.